Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to calculate the total number of cells in a particular range. Okay, so what I have here is this is my range, and I want to calculate the total number of cells. Okay, so how can I do that? Okay, basically what I am going to do is I am going to find out what is the number of rows in the range. Okay, then I am going to find out what is the number of columns in the range. Okay, finally I am going to multiply, okay, the number of rows into number of columns. Okay, so what is the number of rows? Okay, what is the number of rows in the range? Okay, how can I find the rows in the range? I can use the rows function. Okay, rows or OWS. Okay, rows function, you can see the description out there. Okay, returns the number of rows in a reference or array. Okay, if there is array, then it will return a number of rows. Okay, so I am going to find out the number of rows in the range. Okay, first, okay, I selected the array, so which is B3 to L19. Okay, close the bracket, enter. So I have number of rows equal to 17. Okay, what is my columns? Number of columns, in the range. Again, I have another function called columns. It is similar to our rows function, returns the number of column in an array or reference. Okay, I will select the range again. Okay, it's equal to 11. So now I multiply these two. So total number of cells, how can I find out? This is equal to this one into rows into columns, 187. Okay, so I will do it one more time. How to find the range, total number of cells in this range, number of rows in the array. Okay, the set of array, okay, into columns, the total number of columns in the same array. Okay, enter, 187. This is the answer. So this way you can start finding your total number of cells in any range. Why do you want to find it? Because in any formula you may need to use it. Instead of counting manually or out code the numbers, you must use this kind of calculation using rows and columns in your calculation, especially for your analytical or statistical and business applications. Okay, so I hope this example is useful to you, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. The Alan Sam button is already there in the video itself. Please click and subscribe to it, and leave your comments and suggestions, and God bless you.